Here's my bio poem. Denise, dynamic, curious, hopeful, wife of Brandon, mother of 2 teenage daughters, lover of beauty, confidence, and creativity, feeler of pride, gratitude, and stress, who fears inadequacy, not reaching potential, and kidnappers, who graduated from college at 41 3 weeks ago, has started 2 businesses, and who exercises daily, who wants freedom from Charlie Sheen jokes, successful children, and personal fulfillment, who lives in Waxhaw, North Carolina, but grew up in rural Idaho, Richards. My certification is in CTE. I look forward to teaching high school someday, trying to make a difference there. My passions include my family, church, music, home decor, great deals, staying relevant, and providing service to others. I look forward to this class.